Hello my friend, in this video I will show how to configure the parameter of the outdoor station. Now let's begin. First, we push 2 times of this button, then input the system password. You will see set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. Okay, the set 1 is about the volume of the talking of the outdoor station, and now is the number of 5. It can be ranged from number 1 to 8, so we can change from here, for example 4, and push for confirm. The set 2 is about the station number. If we have 2 or more stations, we can set this number of the outdoor station. Number 1 is the main outdoor station. Number 3 is for setup the register MasterCard. With the MasterCard, we can register new user cards. Now let's begin. We use this yellow card for register. When you hit a promote sound, means the set is successful. Yellow one. Number 4 is for the delete MasterCard. Okay, means finish it. And the number set 5 is for the management password. The default is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can set it to be 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. The set 6 is about the unlock relay time. Now it means 2 seconds. We can push 6 to increase, or 4 to decrease the relay time. Confirm. And set 7 is about the access control card type. 2 means the ID card. 3 means IC card. Now our card is ID card. Confirm. Okay, we will test the card we have set. This is the delay card. This is the add card.